In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Telegram ads. Telegram ads are the official advertising format shown inside public channels through Telegram's own ad platform. If you want to promote a Telegram channel, send traffic to a website, or support app installs, this is the place to do it. The process is fairly straightforward, and once you understand the setup, it becomes much easier to launch campaigns confidently. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Telegram ads platform. Once you're there, log in using your Telegram account. Depending on your account status or security settings, you may also need to verify your account before continuing. Just follow the on-screen prompts and make sure your account is fully confirmed so you can access the ad tools without issues. After you're inside the platform, the next step is to create your ad campaign. Look for the option that says Create Ad and click it. You'll then be asked to choose a campaign goal. This part is important because your goal helps shape the setup of the ad. You can choose channel growth if you want more people to discover and join your Telegram channel, website traffic if you want to send users to a landing page or site, or app installs if you're promoting a mobile app. Next, enter your ad text. Keep in mind that Telegram ads use short messaging, so your text needs to be clear, direct, and easy to understand within the platform's character limits. Focus on the main benefit or message you want people to notice right away. Then add your link, which can be either your Telegram channel link or your website link, depending on the campaign goal you selected. Once the ad itself is ready, move on to your targeting settings. Choose the languages you want to target, then select the countries or regions where you want your ad to appear. You can also pick topics or similar channels to help Telegram show your ad to a more relevant audience. If audience interests are available, use those as well to make your targeting more precise. After that, set your budget and schedule. You can choose either a daily budget or a total budget, depending on how you want to control spending. Then select your start and end dates. Before moving on, review the estimated cost per view or click so you have a clear idea of what your campaign may cost. Finally, review everything carefully. Make sure the text, link, targeting, and budget all look correct. When you're ready, click Submit. After that, you'll wait for approval, which is usually fast. Once approved, your ad will begin running automatically.